the last video got cut off, so I'm adding how to create a contract service order. And a service order is a document that you would assign to one of your technicians for them to go complete the work. So we're back in this window here, and I'm just going to go to the main screen here. There's a couple ways to do this, but I'm going to click Create Contract Service Order, and I'm going to say let's just create all the contract service orders between now and 4:30, and I'm going to say OK, and one service order was created. So this service order number 17 down here was created. So when I open it up, this is the document that we assign a resource to for our people to work on it. So again, it's this piece of equipment with this serial number for this customer. Notice on here we don't have, now that the service order has been created, the dispatch board is where we can go to assign it to a user. And you can see here that I've allocated a resource on here. So I've assigned Marty as a resource, and I said it's going to take him 8 hours. And so you can mass assign resources to the open service tasks on the dispatch board. And then switching hats here, if I'm now Marty, I can log in and I can go to service tasks, and I can just look at the service tasks that are assigned to me, Marty. And you'll see one thing's been assigned to me, and then I can go in here and I can click Show Document. Now Marty's been working on this already. And if Marty wants to record any spare parts that he's used, he can add that on the service item worksheet. So here I've already added the spare part here, and I put the 8 hours on here that Marty worked. And then also Marty has a drop down here for other types of costs, and I added travel time. And what you'll notice here, because this is part of the preventive maintenance plan, the item and the resource time, that's included already, but the travel time was additional, so that doesn't have a line discount. So these are going to be additional amounts that get billed to the customer. Marty, when he's in this service ticket, he can see which item it is, what the lot number is. He can add comments if he wants to. He can put in resolution codes or fault codes or symptom codes. We're not going to go into all that right now. From a customer standpoint, he can see where the customer is located. I guess he probably really would look at the shipping, because that's probably really where it's located, because it might be different from the billing. And that's really about all we can do at this point. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to close this.